All right, so it's after work. I'm getting ready to dive into this thing. My main goal right now is just get the spark plugs out and put some oil down the cylinders and maybe pop a valve cover off. We'll see. Kind of take a look at this thing, see if we're wasting our time trying to get it to run or not. All right, first spark plug I grabbed, it doesn't look rusted, it just looks sooty. So I imagine it's just one of the cylinders that's causing an issue. We'll find it. All right, here's the next one. It's also not rusty, but very sooty. Also not rusty. And then this one's also not rusty. They're wet because I power washed yesterday, and there's still some water kind of chilling around that thread. But this side doesn't look rusty. Let me work on the next side. All right, can y'all see these? That one's not rusty. That one's not rusty. That one's not rusty. And that one's not rusty. Maybe this thing, I don't want to jinx myself, but maybe like the alternator is keeping the, because all I've done so far to try to turn the engine over is use the fan. Maybe something else is locked up and not the engine. Crossing my fingers, right? So I'm gonna get my inspection camera into some of these cylinders, probably all of them, and just take a quick look. All right, so my inspection camera died on me. I had about 15 seconds of battery left on it, and I was able to check the first 3 cylinders over here real quick. And doing it real quick like that, I did not see any reasons why this thing should be stuck. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe it's just a corroded belt or something keeping this thing from turning over. Let's cross our fingers. I'm not going crazy with the marble, just because I don't think this thing needs a ton of it. Dang, y'all. Look at all that sludge. That's pretty intense right there. You would think a sludged engine wouldn't be a seized engine, though. I don't know. So we've definitely got some sticky valves up here. Like, that one sounds like it's opening and closing. That one sounds like it's opening and closing, maybe a little bit more restricted, more friction than the other one. That one's definitely opening and closing. This one's rock solid. So maybe we've got sticky valves holding this engine together. So I'm just gonna try to work them, see if we can make something happen. Here's what the other side looks like. Pretty much just more of the same. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do something probably a little bit dangerous or at risk of causing damage, but I want to know what's happening with this thing. Let me go check and see if we have power to the car. We got dome light. We got a dome light, guys. I don't have a key, but I can check the lights. We got anything in the rear? We got a right one. And we got headlights. Alrighty, we got power to the car. I'm just gonna use the little trigger switch here to bump the starter and see if anything happens. That's probably not a good contact, but let's try it. All right, the starter is engaging. Hey, the engine's turning. Well, daggum, guys. Hot dog. Getting oil all over everything. Well, the starter works, daggum. I guess being impatient isn't such a bad virtue. I'm just letting it kind of turn over and hopefully lubricate itself. Starter wire's not even getting crazy hot. Well guys, I'm excited that I got this unstuck so easy. That is really promising. We could do a compression test on it now. Alright guys, we got it unstuck. Next step is to make it run, so I'm excited. Obviously we're going to need some more wires here. Plugs might be usable. I might have some in my parts stash. I'll just have to look around, but I might have some new one of those. But yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for this video. That was a pretty short video. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.